This presentation talks about how I blended formed a blended instruction for a freshman level engineering course, that is EGR 190. So the idea is that today's learners are they like the learning communities, they like visuals, they like hands-on activities. So that's why I wanted to use the blended instruction or flipping techniques. So I created some lectures, recorded some lectures, and did some online assessment, basically quizzes, and also some classroom activities. So the structure is like this. So this is a digital circuits class, EGR 190, it's at Central Michigan University. So this is for freshman level students, and there are about 25 students, and class meets twice a week, and each class is 75 minutes. So what I formed is that the outside classes, I have 2 pre-recorded videos. That is the total runtime about 15 minutes, and then lecture notes are going to be posted, and they're going to read the book and do some quiz questions. These are very simple quiz questions. And the classroom time, I tried to form groups and collaborative learning and a lot of game-based learning. So further into the outside class, so I recorded the lectures using a Bamboo tablet and a Panopto screencasting. That is the software I'm using to record this lesson. And also I'm using a Plantronics headset. So after I record the lessons, I put it into YouTube, and also I have the quizzes. So this is what my Blackboard shell looks like for a particular week. This is week 3. So you have the instructions, that the goals of the week, and what lectures are going to be for that particular days, and the video links, the YouTube links, the 2 videos, and then the reading, and you see the quiz. That's quiz 5 there. So there are 10 questions, and they're supposed to do this. They're required to do this night before the class starts. We'll now talk about how we can convert a truth table into a complement of that particular. If you number those min terms. So this is one of my classes that I recorded. I just wanted to put a sample here, and I'm gonna continue so with the Prezi presentation, and this is one of the examples of my quiz. So you see the 4 questions. There are actually 10 questions in there. So by the time they come to the classroom, the outside activities, I will know by then that what they learned and what they struggled, so I can focus on classroom activities. So with the active learning techniques, I have different tools that I'm going to be using. Some of them I listed here, like bingo. They're going to do a bingo competition at Jeopardy, and also WebQuest. And the tools that I'm going to be using in the classroom is particularly Doceri, as an iPad app. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the quiz solutions as a background on the Doceri app, and I'll solve it and discuss with them, because I will know by then that which questions they really struggled with. I will also use some online circuit simulation software that students can get familiarized with some concepts. So let me show you one of my lesson plan, a very simple lesson plan that what I'm going to be doing in the classroom. So they will come in the classroom, and they will discuss about the quiz questions, and then there will be one activity, about 15-20 minute activity. At this time, this is a counter. They're going to make a circuit, and they'll test it, and then I'll have some simple small jigsaw where they will discuss a few topics that I have not covered in the lecture videos, and they will work on the homework questions in the classroom in groups, and we will have a reflection session right after that. I wanted to show you some of my PowerPoint examples of what I'm planning to do. And so this is one of them. This is bingo. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna have about 25 questions, and they're gonna put those questions into a 5 by 5 matrix randomly, and then I'm gonna ask them to give them the question, and the answer is gonna be here, but they won't see it. So whoever solves and puts it into their bingo sheet faster, they'll win. And another one is the Jeopardy. The Jeopardy, I have some questions. This is more like a review session, and they will choose. They're gonna work in groups, and they will choose some of them. So we'll basically have a competition, and they will still solve some questions. I wanted to show you also my WebQuest activity. So there will be some like tasks. So their tasks is to come up with some circuits, and the process is going to be there will be 3 different tasks that they'll have to fill. This is again going to be on computers and in group work. So they will do some of these. And the third one, that's another example, that they will create this circuit diagram using a software, online software. So this software, it's very simple to use, so you can move things around, you can flip switches and see how it is working or not working. So it's very easy to use, just drag and drop software that they can use to do some simulations. So this is pretty much it what I'm going to be doing in my classroom.